friends, today we are going to discover that how we can read a book in just 5 minutes. Amazing, yeah, but this is not the real manner as you read a book in your routine life, and we are going to actually explore a simple mechanism, a simple procedure to get the maximum insights and intelligence from a book in less than 10 minutes. So, whenever we talk about a book, we know that we are actually reading others' experiences in the book. An author who has performed a thorough research on a topic to increase your knowledge, to increase your information. But reading a whole book is really a problem. Whenever you see that you have a busy schedule, you have people to socialize, you have an office routine, you have jobs to do, and there are many other things that won't let you spare enough time to read a book in a whole day or even in a week. So here is the idea in a nutshell. These are the three main components that we would go through from these components, and first of all, you have to highlight the novel information in any book. There are many creative avenues regarding highlighting this novel information in a book. And the second thing is you need to capture the ideas that can be used in your own writings. It would actually enhance your ability to memorize the things. And you just need to allocate only 5 minutes to grab all this information in any book. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to set an intention. You have to set a goal, and you need to know that whenever we read a book or we watch a movie, we actually develop an individual perspective that is based on our unique feelings, our unique goals, problems, and there are a lot of things. And all these things actually construct our individual perspective. So now what we have to do, we have to work on a more aspiring goal. We have to set a more dependable individual perspective that flows with our goals, with our problems, with our preferences. Whenever you do that, you will only focus on the things in any book or in any movie that matter most to you. That goal will actually help you to ignore the rest of the information that you don't actually need to read. So you need to set an intention, you need to set a promising goal. Now the second thing is, in any book, you need to hunt for the ideas. There are a lot of ideas that are directly related to your problems and your preferences. You are supposed to discover the hidden techniques, not just to read the content unwillingly. Whenever you are reading a book, you need to abstain from information overloading, because definitely there is a lot of information that is not directly related to your goal. You need to choose the titles that solve your problem, identify your real life problems, and then try to read the book in a sense that it is actually solving your problems. In addition to this, you also need to choose the books that challenge you, that are directly related to your problems, or you just don't want to read those books because there is a lot of content that is not directly related to your preferences, but you need to pick up the topics inside these kind of books that are related to your problems, that are related to your interests. And in this manner, you would actually spot the real knowledge that matters to you. In any book, there is a lot of things that matter to you, but you are not able to discover that knowledge because you are actually looking at a lot of details that don't matter to you. How we can do this? We have to develop a mind map. And of course, whenever you are going to develop a mind map, you actually require writing to make the process easy. Because whenever you are reading a book, you would forget all the things you have read in the book. You would only remember the important ideas you write. So this is why you have to write these ideas. You have to notice the main ideas, write all these ideas, and then think about your situation and relate all these ideas to your situation, that how your problems, how your questions can be answered with the help of these ideas. Try to solve your problems with the help of this written content. And here comes the law of use. You have to communicate all these ideas among your social circle. There are a lot of people who want to discuss the same things with you. You just need to multiply your ideas and apply them in real life. And this real life can belong to anyone, to you or to your friends, because you know 1,000 people, and those 1,000 people know another 1,000 people in their lives. If you do the maths, you will see that there are 1 million people in your social circle. And it means there are 1 million problems, there are 1 million ideas, there are 1 million questions in your daily social circle. So you can just simply communicate with others to reread these ideas, to apply these ideas, to remember these ideas, and to see the real implications of these ideas. And don't forget, you have just collected all these insights in 5 minutes from a book. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.